finished a little project for the homeboys 2001 Nissan Frontier pickup. We got the hyperboloid LED projectors in here. This is really gonna make a splash. These things are so bright and so good. But this is just a basic conversion. What you can do with these puppies. We got the 3-inch projector with the 3-inch shroud around it. Painted it satin black, and it kind of blacks out the background behind the original reflector. Kind of makes that black without even having to paint it, but you still get the little reflections and highlights from time to time of the chrome. But I think it's a good look. It's a good look. We also took out the diffuser. There was a diffuser like this. This is the parking light. This is the turn signal. We took that diffuser out, so we get a pure LED bulb in there. It'll be nice and bright, unlike the stock. Anyway, we're gonna put this on, see how it looks. Look at that. You know, it blends in too. You don't even really notice that the bumper's gray and the headlights are black. And I mean, it works. They don't. I thought they was gonna stand out too far. But them being black and all. All right, give me some action. It's not in gear, but it is. Hit them. I'm not in the beam because that'll blind the camera. Anyway, there we go. There we go. Well, we get the nighttime shots at a later date. Oh, give me some hazards. These turn signals are just way better than anything that was on there to begin with. We got LEDs in there, so.
Get shit on the beat.
What the fuck, dude? Like, why? I mean, right here. Right here. Nigga, this is the hood. Is this Disneyland? Does this shit happen every night in Compton? Everybody's alarms going off. Huh? Oh, damn. Somebody else want to get in on it.
Can we call the police?
Oh my God, bro.
Sorry, they defunded the police.
The police are defunded. There, police ain't doing nothing to nobody no more.
All right, I guess it's over.
Yeah, I guess. Happy January 23rd. 2023. Oh, that's why it's the 23rd, and it's 2023. So yeah, you gotta have fireworks.
Oh.
That's what it is. All right, yeah. Happy January 23rd.
Oh no.
It ain't us, it's the media. It ain't us, it's the media.